Guys, we got a really good deal on this table saw. This is the original Skil saw. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, and the bell. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook for more tool deals. I just did see this posted. This does have 4.8 stars, so almost 5 stars for 472 reviews on it at the Amazons. You got the Skil 8 1/4 portable Wormdrive table saw. So they are calling it the Wormdrive because they have the licensed Wormdrive. It's not a Wormdrive style that the other brands call it. This is actually the Wormdrive. All right, it is actually labeled on the saw. As you guys do see on the saw, you do get the rack and pinion, fence measuring system. So you guys know you guys are getting some quality here. Obviously everything else, the Wormdrive, the Skil saw brands, very compact, and yeah, really nice. Definitely check it out. I believe the stand is not included, so you do have to purchase that separately. But check out the beefness of this saw, man. It's crazy. And then you got the guy carrying it with the one hand, and then you got somebody ripping some wood, and of course you got the fence that extends way out there for bigger material. Yeah, this one's really nice. It's down to $379, guys, from $449. I just did check it on the Camel app or whatever, and it is low. It's not the lowest. I believe the lowest they seen it is like $340. But that's very rare. You usually don't see that at that price. This is actually a good price. It's a middle of the range discount. Usually around there, from there to $449. That's what you're gonna see it. But this is actually a good price. So I just did a quick search on that. So anyways, I'll leave you guys the links down below in the description section of the video. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, and the bell. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. And also, guys, if you guys got any tools from the Skil saw brand, let us know. Not the Skil brand. That's a different brand. The Skil is gonna be more for home grade, household use, just DIYs and stuff like that. Skil saw is for commercial and pro level. So let us know in the comment section if you guys got one of these or a similar tool from this brand. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.